You've learned about while, do while, and for loops. So far I've taught you how to break out of a loop using variables. For example, if counter equals 5, then stop the loop. Although this is the most common way to exit a loop, there is another way using the break command. Let's apply the break command into one of the programs we made. Let's change our loop so that it becomes infinite. Now this is usually a really bad idea, but let's use it just for this example. So looking at this loop, it will run forever because the loop will never become false. It always remains true. We can, however, add a conditional statement with a break command in it. Breaks can be helpful when the loops become more complicated and we are running lots of conditional statements inside of our loops. So let's add a counter variable in here, and we're going to add +1 to the counter variable every time our loop is run. And we're also going to create the variable up top here and declare it at the top of our script. We'll give counter the value of 0. Next up, inside of our loop, we're going to have our conditional statement, and we're going to make a conditional statement that's going to say if counter is over, let's say 50, then execute our break command. And what this will do is we'll break out of the loop. So we have this section of our code right here, which is going to be run every time our loop runs. So every time our loop runs, we have a conditional statement just checking to see if our counter is 50. And if it's over 50, then we break out of that loop. So this is another way to break out of a loop using the break command. If we run our program, we can see that after 50 loops, our loop will end. Now that you know how to work with loops, it's time to start the challenge for the loop sections of this course. Good luck, everybody.